Okay, this song is Blister in the Sun by the Violent Femmes. It's a great one as well for beginner guitar players. All right, let's get started. This can really be played on any fret, but we'll do it on the 3rd fret for now. So we start on our 6th string, 3rd fret. Our next one is on our 5th string. We play our 2nd fret, going to our 5th string, 3rd fret, and back to our 2nd fret on our 5th string. And that's the pattern that you kind of want to get down before we move on. So let's try that again. 6th string, 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, back to your 2nd fret. Once you have that down, then everything's just a variation on that. So it starts out like that. Then we do that again. 3rd fret, 2nd, play that one twice. Let's try that again. So we start here. We play it through normal. Now we're going to play 2 on this one. Then normal again. And end on the 6th string. Now to end it off, I like to put my fingers along the strings. I don't push down, I just sort of mute them and I go. So if we're doing that together, we have. Just keep going. Kind of fun to play.